dramatic soap opera music, the tears of love. Ah, yes. Welcome to the saddest show in your kitchen, starring the one veggie that turns cooking into a cryathon, the onion. Grab the tissues, or just your face, I guess. A fancy onion in a sparkly dress, posing like a diva. Madam Onion, queen of drama. Meet Madam Onion. She's not just a vegetable, she's a drama queen, a superstar, and the reason you're sobbing at your cutting board. But why? Let's spill her juicy little secrets. A cartoon lab, an onion in goggles holds a beaker of drama juice. Science lesson, but make it simple. Onions are basically tiny stinky factories. They store sulfur stuff, aka cry juice, in their cells. It's their way of saying, don't eat me. How rude, right? Cut to an onion getting chopped, sparkly liquid sprays out like angry glitter. Oh no, when you cut Madam Onion, she releases her secret weapon, an enzyme called, let's say Ali Nasty. It's her bodyguard, and it throws a big science word gas, syn-propanethial-S-oxide, at your face. Yeah, don't worry, no one can pronounce that. A cartoon eye with tear ducts dressed as panicked workers, always busy. This gas floats up, hits your eyes, and your tear ducts freak out. They're like, code red, we're under attack, flood the eyes. So they crank the waterworks to wash the gas away. Congrats, you're now crying over an onion who's laughing at you. The onion sitting in a director's chair text. But wait, that gas mixes with your tears to make weak sulfuric acid. Sounds scary? Nah, it's like your eyes are throwing a tiny, sad lemonade party. And Madam Onion, she's the jerk who showed up uninvited. Cut, someone wearing ski goggles, chopping onions with a fan blowing. Extreme? How to stop the drama. Wear goggles, look weird, but stay dry. Or chill onions, cold slows the cry juice. Or just let her win. Cry it out. Madam Onion loves the attention. The onion bowing on a stage, holding a cry maker in a kitchen drama. So there you go. Onions make you cry because they're salty divas with a chemistry degree. Next time you chop one, remember, you're not making dinner, you're starring in a soap opera. Bye-bye, crybabies. P.S. Stillion, your tears. Narrator, off-screen, crunching loudly. P.S. Still crying? Blame the onion, or my bad jokes. Simple, snarky, and snack-filled science.